Chief of Staff. I don't know, crocodile tears here with it. Why is it you people like blackmailing people emotionally?
Kwame, the papa Mary will see no car sem no so wanu ne ho saa. Anko mo kwa so ho akopa che kese so di. President Muhammad dinani si so pa say 4 years your person ye niema different. Money din no da ho te say de Kwame Nkrumah din da ho be si ene no a. Code of conduct you won fanya adwuma.
Nanke say okotra nwunimako ama aboa pontre ne ntewu fifi nanso no ebetima ye possible say okotra ba nwunimako shirawa ama aboa pontre ne betewu fifi because NDC ni ababawa Dr. Mary Ewusi ene kodi of penyin Apostle Eric Nyameche our Pentecost chairman okodi natem but now no honorable Julius Debrah our chief of staff or no and ete hon pentenkwa ona comedian so attack na e kono so ni nyina fa crocodile tears bia ni nyina fa crocodile tears bia na nse mo be share ye Sunday no abra ode achawpa ema Apostle Eric Nyameche omo say omo ntiase adenti say suna Julius Debrah suya no ase ne say omo so omo ntiase omo abayi komadwen e da kire no mema ntire mu no akire wadwen amame e wo comment section how PENYAH block media mesro say ni demo over like video no da ma bro subscribe button somebody click the notification icon latest update number kire wadwen da amame e wo comment section obaso a no she voice enya bia hwe it's about 2 weeks ago ana Dr. Mary Ewusi our that Ghana Free Zones Authority ano obeke kana church of Penyini Apostle Eric Nyameche our the Pentecostal church no omu chairman nationwide ono omu chairman ni nyina nze sofo abeka se galamsense ansema ekos no yenyenso kura masu nyame adwuma ya sei it aban no fa na nansi form na on stop galamse maami so antia se ne obebo na adwen church of Penyini ema ogeka na adwen kra no ye tia de na nse nyabotre na papa no oye nyame nipa enwo wane so maami kan pain se enwo e was off ne so a enkon cancel kan yes na the woman was so determined to insult the man of God. The woman was so determined to insult the man of God. What I say? Am I buying a before buy? It's Ghana phone be back come out here mami na fine. Demo mami na am I there tia or them kwanchan acha ope e buy. What them kwanchan apology be an apology or chiremu say ma kan sembi na Ghana for free say ma anka say ya me nipa met me from so I retract and apologize. Say Ghana for free say ma anka say ya na say ebesi ne ma mene nyintum se nsem no kan no wan kase yi eye kase hunu eye kase fi kase tantan no kan wonim ebesine wonim se nsem kan wan kase yi but che se Ghana free se wan kase yi a obepa achew e ma achew pna chikra no na Ghana fo buo fu se ensem be na kan achew pani mu no unu ho je se unu ho e ma bufu esa bae na you know na Ghana fo no e twen ade because Mahama be ka se ye de tra konwa so na e no de Mahama code of conduct e bae awa ka se na point bia ye be chill say who show arrogance and disrespect towards Ghanaians no obeyi wodi Mahama ebe kan that sem e ma that time ye ka say e settings oboa wabafu frontina he just trying to say anything for the optics or just making noise keke or be say we gas oh Mahama de wojo we this wasesa we den ye kan that time on se sign Mary Ewusi kan that same way na what you twam na for this atwam na the NDC communicate bia ma abontene there hasn't been any letter from the camp of the NDC na krata bia ma abontene and other say omu condemn the action of the woman or there wasn't any letter and it just say Mahama code of conduct on the buyer no just anything for the optics just anything for social media noise makers to use it to say oh Mahama de wojo ana amemu na wo bunu exceptional concept lo ebebusia na abesamto wogide na Sunday twam ye no na honorable Julius Debrah chief of staff the 60th birthday ema omo grand birthday celebration na ne Thanksgiving service no Sunday and upon the Thanksgiving service no ho ana mutonza frere so Penyini Apostle Eric Nyameche ana ho no chief of staff Julius Debrah ede achawpawe ebaye
the chairman of our church. You know, myself, Honorable Elder Ofuswampofo, our local government minister, and several others are members of your church. A few days ago, one of our colleagues, Dr. Maria Osi, slipped a bit against you. And I want on this occasion to commemorate my birthday, to let the whole church forgive us. It was just a slip. It wasn't intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you will forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children. God richly bless all of you.
Na ansa na Kofi Oduro ejina chiri na I was imagining say and same way aba no senka na ye MPP for ene wo aban mu ana MPP ni appointee baako ekwakeka sa enkurase kasa we eche sofo panyini a anka asembe na Kofi Oduro beka anka ni bakro nko wu kura he enka be from MPP for nyina asem before e kan so me arrogance omumu ade anka naja nto obeku MPP for anka obeku omu say kazan people for muade ka Kofi Oduro ka ye nya aso Ghana ha but eba ye no won ye din wan ka ho hwe wa ye din wan ka ho hwe na efa esuwe na Julius Debrah ko su ye ko miemia na nezu ko su ye ko fa cha no even na chapa gro kire mu say it was just a slip of tongue. Mama no, the woman wasn't intentional to insult the man of God, that it was just a slip of tongue. Honorable, you call this slip of tongue. Enipa o kasa aye tia de naso krase nya obotre na we nya minipa enwo won so na wasa turo no mutuo pain se enwo won so ankon ka do kan no wa mass of penin won say next time we try be mu a we see we a slip of tongue. Do you know what slip of tongue means? Obi anya obotre calculate abeki kana adwa kire obi we see a slip of tongue. One anya ho na maker, who am I to judge? And say no beka in apology no Ghana for no abe clash with chief of staff Julius Debrah because Mama no can say because that did more patch on my meaning or why Ghana for a command at chief of staff.
About Julius Debrah, echo why no answer them no. Enim guasia de. Ni ati me ane say. E osafo. So nim asori ha de. Can you imagine? No, see, let me tell you. You need national theatre. And national and drama studio na yewo. I all rehearse the way I act say sooner and share. And I said, no way, Jack. As soon as and did 1 second screen you. I said no. All the way I old sparking car engineer. When no way, just I don't know no here. Because as soon as you know 1 second crying, do 1 second. No, we are no. Near me, one across it. Usha man penny, Abraham penny, Julius or for you, or for. Can you imagine? And ni breast, when I can't ni breast man. On my permitting on Austria on reality for that. Just I don't know, no. Try me.
Chief of staff. I don't know, crocodile tears here with it. Why is it you people like blackmailing people emotionally? You people should forgive.
My birthday, to let the whole church forgive us.
Why?
It was just a slip.
Are you the one who disrespected the man? No. So why are you throwing tantrums at church? The woman
Dr. Maria, we say yes. Then next time won't descend it to that level.
Also say, as American Ghana for Philly say she didn't even apologize well. Here this woman Ghanaians.
May retract.
A religion. I always tell people that person who ni pass by money power.
They say if you want to know a person's true character, give him power.
The way nipa is buying here. Money power. That is when you know the person, the true character.
Ne papa mu ne papa mu Maria we see no ka asem no so wanu ne ho saa anko mo kwa asori ho akopa acho kese so di
na onim se omnyina be kwa asori ho Sunday oni but wanko obi otifie
ada na wo mo kwa akogina kwa
chief of staff no wono no ye mu nyina mu panyin no wono na wakoje responsibility na wo meanwhile, who we are that you see the patch on Glasgow. Said the Ghana for
man can hear.
Not just one cassa wouldn't to Musa one cassa ye.
Any pay ya cassa any pan o more 95 and you soon in a bind no.
Intine say ni leader no e ko gina nanim no opacho.
Ejo da so te ho ye dey. Say President Mahama, President Mahama di nani si so pa say 4 years your person ye niema different. Money din no da ho te say de Kwame Nkrumah din da ho be si ene no a. Code of conduct you won fanya adwuma. And again, chief of staff, right? There's every responsibility on the chief of staff. On my PENYAH point is our point you when we say so we chief of staff, when you are PENYAH 95.
That's all report to you.
They report to you directly. And Sakrana, Bibiania, and Droma PENYAH. Chief of staff, Obia one fa code of conduct in Yajubano. You do not have to be afraid. As I say, your pamo, your pamo.
Menko Jina, sorry, them. Enko Patomo. Oh, a Sunni dear.
Enko Suwa, so them.
Let the whole church forgive us. It was just a slip. It was intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you will forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children. God will take their sorrow.
Mr. Julius Debrah, Chief of Staff. Post a winner and there. And your Pentecost chairman Tina Unya. Ghana for do no more bread. GD say NDC. And a bit to have some more shebre. Other woman Tina and no post we. Mobile 1 year, 4 months ni. Ghana for in your light. Doom so samba. Insure and Crawford Bernum. Omunyebi. Nkwafu yare no mkwa yare sabia. Mpa yedebe ombetu so asomo yare. Ebi ni o. So unko around. Enkwa kanche Ghana for say. Muna muji ye di ye. Ena mu maye akwanya se ye mbedi o man so ye nyama ye. Yenim se ye bae nyama nko ye se nyama pe no. Bae pamucho munya abotrema ye. Ye be ni. Untumi nko around. Nanso what to me? Sorry.
We want to pray for them.
Akwada papa kwa champagne cromfo we Pentecost chairman cromfo we. Papa was sit tight. Nyame de omo chairman sorry for no mo bre no. We nim so cromfo we also friend one apostle or cromfo no wakopa no cho. And this muhwa munyama ye o. Muhwa munyama ye. Na won table no. Adani before ahyemu e mama mpe. E na Ghana forma mu chance bi o. Ti se mwanya munyama ye a e be dani fast akwa chain. Last time no. Munyama ye na mo fix Ghana. Better Ghana na mo promise ye no. Better Ghana na mo promise ye no. Julius Debrah, as the head of government staff.
I don't think about them. Yeah, because
Julius Debrah, mo fix Ghana na mo nye Ghana better as promised. Ne dani bi o ma. Mo beba bi o e be che rough. Uko pa comfort we cho. Then so Ghana for mo ma wunya post as chief of staff. Untumi mpo mo cho. We hypocrite, Julius Debrah. Ghana for the company my NDC. Ba me enya meka. Mamu nhwe nya mamu ye. Abato ba enya me na me ba be campaign my NDC. Mamu decide. So far so good. Me energy am the company momo. Tina me criticize omo se nya mamu ye na enye. Chief of staff o hypocrite. Because wakopa comfort cho Ghana for mo man ejuma untimi mpa mo cho ye. We me so a hypocrite.
And President John Dramani Mahama, Mr. Excellency, and a Chief of Staff, Julius Debrah. One more Pentecost assorted them. Ede apachow, ede akwakoma eye Pentecost chairman. All in the name of NDC ni ababonten abekase onyina no. Enfam free politics nsemu onyina no enfam free eye galamse na wo mo ye wo man nim na nsuo na asai na oba be kan no sa Pentecost chairman no onyina no enfam free nimpa ba kunti because of one person no aninti no wo mo hu ni say sa maame NDC ni no kasa na kasa akire eye Pentecost chairman no wan kasa yenti wo mo de pacho akọ nimpa ba konti yeti oman Ghana mu yeti Ghana ha ana Ghana fo mpanyimfo ene nkola esu kire NDC aban no say prepaid meters no ejane achieve too much nti wo sere NDC aban yen bibi ma wo na wo system meter no ema wo up to now yehu effort bia ewo ho send this aban ne besesa send this aban ne nsesa up to now yehu effort bia yet your man we mu ejadifo wo mu digwa isu kire NDC aban isu kire aban ne sen yen pa de wo man nim nti NDC aban ne nyahu bibi mfama wo mu up to now yenti news bia mfa ho yo yeti the same of my way mu yeti o man way mu youth ni su pachaw friend this government say woman creating human ma youth na youth bi anya binye up to now youth na suwa wana na kufu ado abreso up to now youth no da su say woman penwuma wo man Ghana nim up to now still no youth no go so wo musu yehu improvement bia but and because of one person because of a Pentecost chairman about the kagam say asem MNDC ni ababonti abekasa ni okan no eye has political NDC from painful atimi akogu Pentecost asori dem aya pachaw akọ say wo fan change this government but Ghana for youth ni painful na wo su after this government ni say wo pa adwuma ye wo prepaid meters na nye wo ton ade a wo nto. When was the last time NDC government na babontin abaka kire Ghana for say Ghana for yes remo ye pamucho mu fanche ye be create nyuma amamu ye pamucho mu fanche meters ni ye besesa ye pamucho mu fanche nyuma na sise ye ntoni ye be make sure say ye beto Ghana ni bi ade. When was the first or when was the last time NDC phone painful no eba bontin ebe car sa kire Ghanaian youth akumatoni yem. Now that means automatically aye Pentecost chairman on the so on fast will be bree a chain youth no a chain Ghana for no womusu e fra bani se prepaid meter ne ha wo mo na trese no ho on fast wo a chain ai mame for na wo mo say womo ton ade so womo nto womo nua ne sei na that means chairman no ho on fast wo chance amame for no na that means youth na womu su epe aban na cho say aban no youth na epa aban na cho say aban ni nya bibi ma womu no womu nya adwuma nya no na che say sa nipa ba akofo no ho fa so chen yo bibia. Okay, yate ase yate yada nyame ase some wama Ghanaian youth who almost standard yada ase
Chira wa mame e wo comment section. Hypocrisy Media Accra.